Let's just look at the markets as well. Some flashes of Edelweiss at the bottom of your screen. Kora Master Fund to invest into Edelweiss Security, Edelweiss Group. This is the global investment business that we are talking about. Apart from that, they have also declared numbers. Is Ajay with us? Okay, Ajay is with us. Ajay, Kora Master Fund to invest via compulsory preference shares. This is fundraising via Edelweiss?
Well, that's correct. I think this quarter, the more than numbers, this particular foreign investment will be much more important to watch out for. So this is an American company, New York-based company, which is investing via compulsory convertible debentures. This instrument will convert to equity at a later stage. We still don't know, do we, the exact amount. But if I'm, my sources were telling me that the asset management company was roughly being seen as around 20,000 crore value. So we still do not know about how much money will flow in. But this is clearly a value unlocking move by Edelweiss by getting Kora Investments, an American financial services company, issuing. It's a debt which will be converted to equity. So another asset monetization activity by a financial services company. So this is important. I think will take more center stage. A lot of people on the street were expecting it for a long time.
Hi Ajay, before I let you go and, I know you just suddenly mic'd up and you're waiting for all of the information to come down, but I want to tell you that Edelweiss Financial has indeed taken a sharp knock down in trade while you've got this Kora Master Fund to be investing in Edelweiss Securities. I'm wondering if the sharp reaction that we initially saw on the stock could be in reaction to its numbers, the earnings that have come out. The profit seems to, Pankaj, do you have the numbers? It seems to have declined by almost 50% year on year.
Comprehensive profit or the net profit is 134 crores versus 263 crores. Net profit attributable to shareholders is 132 versus about 264. I don't really think it was not expected by the street. And the interest income has come in at 1,567 versus 1,600. And when I look at really what's happened, so the provisions have gone up. 283 crore is the provision number, and that's where you're getting that 130 crores, 40 crores of difference that you were talking about. But Nantara, it was not that the street was not anticipating a weak number or a higher provisioning number for this. The stock is down 2% as we speak.
Yeah, we have seen a sudden reaction which has come in, and let's track it during the course of markets at noon, analyze it a little more maybe later when we get more details that maybe it's at a valuation which the street was expecting. Is Ajay still with us? Ajay, do you think that could be the big reaction also, that maybe it's the mismatch in the expectations when it comes to valuations?
Well, two things, Nantara. One, that this particular quarter was expected, the market was expecting a weak quarter from Edelweiss. So street was already factoring their capital market related business. Their NBFC business already took a knock. So weakness in essentially the business model across the sector, not only Edelweiss, is kind of already on the street. But the asset monetization, or I would say stake sales in their wealth business and advisory business, is something which was on the mind of the street. But you are right in saying that if the Indian market would not have entered into a bear market the way it is going on, the valuation at which this transaction was supposed to happen or was talked about by analysts on the street would have been much higher. That is absolute fact. Right now, the need for arriving upon this transaction at this juncture of the market, perhaps raising capital, is something which we will ask the management definitely, because they would be talking to us later. But really around 350 rupees a share, the valuation of the overall business and sum of parts would have been very different. Now at 140 odd, and in the middle of a bear market, the valuation at which this transaction would have been done must be much lower. You're right in saying that.
Okay, so, let's wait for the details. We'll soon have the management also with us. The stock has recovered a bit, back in the green, bounced back, has gone in the green. Let's just show the intraday chart because, it's been a little bit all over the place the last couple of minutes. We saw a sharp reaction, a sell-off, and now the stock in recovery mode. Just look at that recovery as well. As I said, Edelweiss Financial all over the place the last couple of minutes and now back in the red. I think that seesaw may continue for some time.